Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our morning market update. It's June 21st, and time's freaking flying, isn't it? It's already kind of the middle of the month of the middle of the year. So we're getting through it here. Welcome to our update for Wednesday, June 21st, 2017. It's George Papazov. I still have a godly-like presence with the light in the background. I promise you I'm human. I'm not a Martian that I know of. We're going to get back to our regular trading environment for next week, start next week. Then I'm heading out again. I'm going to do some more traveling, but it's just temporary, right? The light in the back, I think, kind of helps. Somebody asked the other day if I could show them the trading setup, so I'll start there very quickly. And it's mobile form. Right now, again, I'm not running the platform. Sorry to give you a bit of a headache. But this is what it looks like on the three monitors when they're set up. Oh, sorry. When they're set up, this is kind of the idea. 1, 2, 3. A lot of questions are being asked about traveling and trading, and we know that's kind of everybody's dream at some point as a trader, to start out and realize, hey, you know what? This is a potentially mobile undertaking I'm doing. I don't have to be at home to trade from it. I don't have to have 19 monitors. And I'm putting together a video for you guys, so look forward to it. Subscribe to our channel, because this weekend on Sunday, we're going to release a video of how I travel and trade, what I've put together in terms of machinery, technology tools. And we wrote a great blog post about this topic as well. If you want to read my technology, the ins and outs, you look at the blog post. So I'm going to show you how I pack and how I keep my office mobile and what I bring on the road. So this, after a couple of road trips, I've kind of figured it out. I've narrowed it down to what works and what doesn't. So look forward to that. It's a little bit of fun stuff that's upcoming. Plus, to take you on a tour through Nicaragua and show you what I've been doing so far. Okay, that's coming out Sunday. Let's get back to trading. This morning in Asia, Japan's down 0.5%. Hong Kong down 0.6%. China's up 0.5%, and India is flat. In Europe at midday, London's down 0.4%. Paris is down 0.8%, almost a whole percentage point, and Frankfurt down 0.5%. Okay, S&P's down 0.2%. Nasdaq down 0.3%. Dow is flat. Crude is flat after getting just annihilated again overnight. We'll talk about crude oil in some good detail today, along with Amazon. All right, gold's up 0.4% to 1248, holding some of that support at 1242 to 1245. We told you guys that yesterday. All right, gold's a good support at 42 to 45 level. Below there, if it breaks, look out. Sell stops are coming out. Okay, the birds are participating. You guys hear the birds? I don't know how you'd answer that, but maybe comment on the box below. I can't silence them, unfortunately. I'm in their territory. Today we get NBA mortgage applications. 10 a.m. we get existing home sales. Okay, and at the bottom of that hour, 10:30, we get the EIA, or Department of Energy, petroleum inventory. So big day for oil today. Huge. Today's the day you should probably be trading oil. Regardless of what you trade, you should definitely be looking at oil around 10:20 a.m. in the morning to about 11:20 into the European close. There's going to be a lot of volatility and opportunity there. Okay, let's talk about Amazon, because I kind of have this as the main title. Just see that it's going good. Okay. Amazon's getting into fashion. So I don't know if you guys have heard the news on this. They turned the grocery industry upside down when they purchased Whole Foods, and they introduced some of their new store concepts of picking up stuff and checking out automatically just with the usage of an app. Now, that's not good for cashier jobs. It's not good for the entry-level jobs, the type that people work to pay the bills, or work because they have to, or work to pay their tuition for college. All right, those jobs are going to start to disappear. They're already kind of on the endangered list for automation removal of those jobs. So that's the industry kind of Amazon caught the industry off guard. Walmart said yesterday, they told their suppliers, we encourage you to get off the Amazon cloud. They flat out said that. So their suppliers that put product in Walmart were told by Walmart to boycott Amazon by taking their products out of the cloud. Now, that's an interesting statement to make, right? It's one company is pretty much admitting a little bit of pain they're facing and a little bit of fears, and that's all it means. Are suppliers going to get off Amazon's cloud-based business? Absolutely not. The beauty with the cloud on Amazon is it works, it's efficient, it's scalable. It means that if you start out as a small business, you don't have all this infrastructure cost to set up. All right, I use Amazon Cloud as well, and it's an amazing platform. You only pay what you use. It's a great concept. There's no way they're getting off of it. All right, half the internet's on Amazon at the moment. AWS, Amazon Web Services. When they went down a couple months ago, the whole internet blacked out, pretty much, more or less. All right, so but now they're getting into fashion. So here's the deal. Amazon Prime Wardrobe will be launched and released All right, and it's going to let users try the clothes before they buy it and only pay for what they keep. Think about this concept. A lot of the reason people still use retail for clothing is to go in there. This is YouTube video time. Thanks, Hart. To go in there and try clothes in the retail outlet and then go and purchase it online. And a lot of retailers experience this. Say, hey, you know what? People come in, they try the clothes, don't buy it, and I know they're going online. They'll even tell us, I'm going online to purchase this. Thanks for the fitting rooms. Now, Amazon's trying to change the game. All right. They're destroying retail in all aspects, not just groceries. Now they're moving into fashion. My question to you is, would you be cool with that concept? Would you be cool with ordering clothes from Amazon, getting a chance to try them out, and then returning the ones that don't fit? All right. Would you make the adjustment from retail clothing to this Amazon service? Comment in the box. I'd love to hear from you. In fact, I'll even set up a poll on this video. I'd like to know from you, and then we'll publish the results on tomorrow's morning update. It's revolutionary. Stocks are getting hit. Retailers, Nordstrom, New York Stock Exchange symbol JWN, JCPenney, JCP is a symbol. Chico's, CHS, and TJX and Ross stores are getting hit as well, ROST. Watch those stock symbols over the next couple of days. Amazon caught the industry off guard with that announcement. All right, I want to let you guys know that. That's why Amazon is worth so much money with all this debt load they're carrying, because they represent growth. They're doing something real. The difference between Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, actually Netflix is different. The difference between Amazon and Google is Amazon actually does something. All right, Facebook is a media platform. It's a media agency. Amazon actually owns physical goods. Okay, it's if you drop them on your foot, they'll hurt. That's the kind of business they're in. They're into a real business with a lot of expansion opportunity. They're in every industry. Okay, so watch Amazon. I like the stock. I'm not going to buy it at this price, but on a pullback, maybe I will. Okay, let's talk about crude oil very quickly. Crude oil today fell into a bear market officially, down 2.2% overnight once again. It hit 43.03 on the low point, and that officially puts it in a bear market after sliding 20%. It's, you know, the story about oil, and I get asked this a lot, is what's causing the downside? Should I buy it? It's cheap. It's not cheap. The story of oil is a story of oversupply. All right, and these tensions out of Middle East where they isolated Qatar, that's not helping. Okay, some people call it Qatar, by the way. It's not helping the situation. Those tensions aren't productive, so that's kind of scaring the market. Libya is ramping out their output in collaboration with Germany. It's a story of oversupply while demand is low. We're not using any more oil. We're using the same, if not less. We're weaning ourselves as a society off of oil and reducing our usage while suppliers continue to hammer the market with more and more inventory. The price goes down. More supply of goods with equal or less demand is the quickest way to get lower prices. All right. That's the fear. The fear is that there's too much oil. Iranian oil minister this morning said they're open to discuss with OPEC to take some more measures and to revise their deal to do a deeper production cut, but it's not going to work because Libya is increasing. United States shale is increasing. 28th consecutive week on last Friday's report from the Baker Hughes rig count. Okay, so it's not helping. They're not going to be able to do that. So oil is bearish right now. Further to that, on 4:30 p.m. yesterday, we had the private subscriber release API oil inventories. Crude was down 2.7 million barrels, so we got a little bit of a draw in the inventory, but it didn't help the bullish scenario. Normally, that'd be a little bit of bullish bias into the oil market, but because of what's going on, that was just overshadowed and thrown off base, and we're just trading towards lows. Crude's getting hammered. I'm going to tell you this. This morning, we have at 10:30 the crude oil inventory report. I think too many people are short this trade for a short-term trade opportunity. I'm not saying buy and hold oil. Wait to see the inventory report, and whether it's a draw or a build, no matter what, I think some short sellers are going to get squeezed out in today's price action. We got ahead of ourselves. Oil's dropped a lot. I think we're going to run it up a little bit, squeeze out some short sellers, and you can jump on board a long trade. The beauty of that trade is it'll happen very fast. You'll be able to make great amount of money in a very short period of time. You just have to know what to watch for. And that's what we teach you in the futures course. That's what we're good at, is spotting the buy stops, sell stops, and making money as other traders' stops get hit and they lose. Right? Trade pros in the room. Would you agree with that? Would you agree that's kind of our specialty? Throw a yes in there. So for day traders, it's an awesome opportunity to ride some momentum. Yeah, I'm getting a few yeses. Thanks, Hart. So awesome opportunity to ride some of that momentum. For longer term position traders, the opportunity for you is wait for it to rally so you could sell into the trend. Don't fight the trend. Okay, guys? That's what I got for you today. Oh, another note, Travis Kalanick, CEO of Uber, former CEO, steps down after shareholders put pressure on him to leave the company. Travis learns a golden lesson here, guys. Doesn't matter who started the company. Doesn't matter how much years of seniority they have. Doesn't matter how well respected they are. You mess around, you get your shareholders and investors angry, and they'll squeeze you out because now it's their company. It's their money. When you sell companies shares, they have the right to make requests. One of them was that he stepped down, so he's out. Okay, so Uber is looking for a new direction. I think Uber is going to be a good opportunity as a stock once it goes public, if it ever does go public, for a long-term play in Uber. I think the taxi cab industry is kind of getting decimated, has been decimated, and it's going to go into self-driving automated taxi in the next 10, 15, 20 years. So it could be a good play. Travis Kalanick is out. Wanted you guys to know that. You can't trade the stock, however, it's not public. Okay, I got to open the room here and trade with the guys. I got some more updates for our Trade Pro subscribers on the Federal Reserve and how we're going to trade oil. If you guys want to join us, click the link below, sign up for a Day Trader Pro package, 30-day money back guarantee. You got literally nothing to lose. Come out, join the room, see how we trade every day. And I promise you'll learn a lot. Take care, guys. Have a great day. And we'll catch you in tomorrow's morning update. I got some exciting news to share with you tomorrow, so make sure you're there, 9 a.m. Eastern. Take care. Adios. Trade well. Manage that risk. Trade Pros, let me end the broadcast. I'll be with you in a second.